This is not difficult. We're going to solve it. First and foremost, you have to remove the brackets. Also remove the bracket on the right hand side so that we can be able to simplify it. So at this point, we are going to look at 1 over 3 x plus 1 minus 1 greater than 1 over 5 to the bracket of x plus 4. We have to remove the fraction part by multiplying all through by the LCM of 3 and 5 so that the fraction can be removed. That means the LCM of 3 and 15 and 5 is 15, which is what? 15 times 1 over 3 to the bracket of 1 plus 1, close the bracket, minus 15 times 1 greater than 15 times 1 over 5, open the bracket, x plus 4, close the bracket. Now we're going to have 5 here. When you divide 15 by 3, this place will be 5, open the bracket, x plus 1, close the bracket, minus 15 times 1 is 15, greater than 15 divided by 5 is 3. So you have 3 into the bracket of x plus 4. Close the bracket. Now we remove the bracket, which is 5x plus 5. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 1 is 5. Minus 15 greater than 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is plus 12. So we collect like terms. Bring 3x to this side and move this to the other side. This is 5x minus 3x. Why minus? Because here is plus. As it's crossing the inequality sign to the left hand side, this sign will change to negative. Then bring your this together. We now have 12. 5 minus 15, you have minus 10. As minus 10 is crossing to the other side, you have plus 10. Right? Now here we have 2x greater than 22. Divide both sides by x. Divide both sides by 2. You have 2 here, 2 here. So x is equals to 11 as the final answer. Very simple. Subscribe to my channel so that when I post similar mathematics, you'll be able to get the video. Thank you very much.